Hi guys! We haven't seen each other for a while, but today I wanted to make a video with the 90s inspired Pamela Anderson look, especially with smoky eyes. Yeah, today we're a bit sassy. And who is new on my channel? Hi, my name is Milena, and yeah, I really like makeup, and I haven't been on my channel for a really long period of time, but today I'm here with you, so let's go. Well, as you remember, 90s was everything about matte skin, but like we don't have to make a fully authentic 90s look. We will like mix some today's fashion makeup with something that inspires us in this video 90s. Firstly, I will use a Rare Beauty tinted moisturizer. Sorry for my nail is just broken, and we will use BB cream and we will mix it together. I almost forgot, of course we will use some touch pore filling primer, silk canvas primer. I showed you this primer in my previous video, and yeah, I like to use it a lot, as you can see, on my T-zone to hide my pores. So I'm just using a little amount, spread it between my fingertips to warm it up a bit, and then apply to my zones that I wanted to smooth my scar a bit. Yeah, and that's it. So now we will move to our foundation again. As usual, I mixed our foundation on the back of my hand because like I really like Rare Beauty tinted moisturizer, but for now it's a bit lighter for me, like the lighter shade, and to perfectly match my skin tone for now I'm mixing BB cream with tinted moisturizer. Of course I have also some imperfections and like zits, and today we will hide it. It's like, I don't know why it's happened. I just don't know. I will use a dense brush and just spread it lightly on my skin. For extra coverage, I will use the most favorite concealer, Super Stay Maybelline in shade 05. It's pretty light, but like it has a really lightweight formula, but it hides dark circles and blemishes pretty well. That's why I will use it today. Here, a bit of here, and a bit of mascara. I don't use any concealer under my eyes because this combo has a pretty good coverage, and I think I don't have to apply extra concealer, but yeah. And before setting our foundation, we will spray some Milani Make It Last setting spray. We will apply some setting spray before applying any powder on top of our foundation to make it last longer. And for my powder, I'm searching for my powder. Where is it? 1 second. Here I am again. And yeah, this is the powder that we will use today. It's a meteorite from Guerlain. And for my powder, I will use some dense brush like that. You see, it's pretty dense and small. Why I'm choosing this kind of brush is because it's when you're like press the powder in your pores, it melts with your foundation and make a really smooth complexion. The foundation and the skin prep is finished, and now we will move on to eyebrows. As we remember, the 90s was everything about thin eyebrows, but I won't do that today. I will use some brow gel that I like to use all the time, and yeah, it is the second bottle of Got2b Schwarzkopf brow gel, and it's also the gel for thin like baby hairs. So let's do that. I will just brush it and fix it as my natural shape of eyebrows. But for now we will use Sweet Peach Too Faced eyeshadow palette, but like you can use any brownish nude colors. So for today we just need three colors basically. We need white, we need this kind of beigey ashy color, and this cold toned brown. On my camera maybe it seems a bit warm, but like in real life it's pretty cool toned, so we need something like that. And we will need the pencil. Mine is from Benefit. It's Bad Gal 24-hour eye pencil, and it's really great, and it has a tip that helps to blend the pencil and like make a smoky effect, so we will use it today. The first thing that we need is to apply white peach, the shade white peach, on the upper and lower lid to set the concealer that we're used. Then we need some Georgia, this color, and blending brush to make our colors pop and be more defined here, not too much, because we will add extra shadow afterwards when we'll make our eyeliner. And now we will move on to our eyeliner. And what we have to do basically, I will come closer to you so you could see that, and I will use my mirror, my mirror that's perfect for eyeliner here. And as you can see, we made a pretty blended and smoky line here. So this is what we are having right now, and then we need to use some kind of tip brush and use this color. Then we have to apply this cool brown shade on top of our eyeliner. You see that light smoky effect. Also add this shade on the bottom like that. And we will move on to our sparkles. For now, that's it. And we're moving on to our moon dust sparkles. And we're applying it just everywhere. More is more in that case. In this case, I mean. Here. You see? It's just straight up gorgeous. And we need a little brush. I will show you which one. You can use like, eyeliner brush or small flat brush. And with this brush, we apply a bit in the inner corner of our eyes this beautiful moon dust. And also my little trick that I like to use, it's to, like, you can use eyebrow liner, and with this liner, like this one, I like to make inner liner, like to emphasize cat eye effect. And for extra dimension, I will use Charmed, I'm sure that's cooled brown shade that we used previously, and apply here in this area. and lifting the line upwards to lift our eyes even more. What comes to our eyebrows, I will add a bit dimension, especially in the end of my eyebrow, because it's pretty thin by nature, not because I try to make them this way. We'll move on to our mascara, our eyelashes. I don't use any fake eyelashes, but you can use some. So I like to use this mascara. So as you can see, we have that beautiful smoky eye eyeliner makeup. And I will add a bit of mascara on my lower lashes with Lancome Idol mascara. And we will move on to our blush and lips. Just a bit of mascara, not too much. And for extra dimension, if you like some, contrast, you can use the white eyeliner on the waterline. I know that for now it's from Morphe Coconut, but you can use any other white eyeliner. I know that for now, in our days, it's more popular to use kind of beige, light pink eyeliner on the waterline, but we're trying to come back to 90s, so we will use a white one. So it's what we're having. And then we'll move on to our blush. I know that in 90s it was more about brick color, some peach color, but it doesn't work on my skin color and my skin shade that much. So I will use the most favorite cream blush from MAC in shade Totally Sunset. I showed it in my previous makeup video, and I will add a bit of the color on top with the ColourPop blush in shade Meow. And our goal is to make lifted face. We try to lift our cheeks and make foxy eyes. So that's why I'm swiping the blush upwards. You can add a little bit of highlighter, but I don't remember that they used the highlighter that much. We will go into lips and we will fix some stuff that we're maybe we will add some contour, we will apply some lip liner and lip gloss, and we will decide together. So my lip liner for today will be from Makeup Forever in shade Endless Cacao. Shade 506 is just straight up 90s lip liner. I will apply and you will understand why. You see, you just straight up 90s, that beautiful cool tone brown that just make all that we have done work together so beautifully. And on top, and I will fix some edges because it's not pretty even because I like to make a lower lip uneven all the time when I'm trying to contour it with lip liner. And we will add a bit of lip gloss. Mine is from Fenty Beauty and in shade Sweet Mouth number 4. It just has the beautiful shimmer in it. It makes everything better, 10 times better. You see, it's like a glass. So beautiful. I just love it. Makeup pose. I think it was 90s or 90s. Makeup pose. I'm looking at myself and I understand that I need a bit of extra contouring on my face, and for that I will use like you can use any, but like I have a Korean one to cook for school, and I will use this like cool toned shading color, and I will use Morphe M45, but like you can use any edge brush, and it's this brush especially great for contouring. Use a bit of my cheekbones because I need to eat less when I'm going to my bed to not gain extra weight on my cheeks. I'll apply my signature beauty mark on my cheek because it's my natural beauty mark, but I like to enhance it all the time. And you know what? I want a bit of highlighter. I just understand that I want some like a bit of You can use any shimmer highlighter. I will apply just like tiny bit. I will use a fan brush like that and we'll do a bit of highlighter. Because why not? We're living just one time. We won't have a second chance to live. And it's what we're having right now. Just give me a second to fix my bangs. I will use a hair roller and I will come back to you within a second to finish our beautiful 90s Pamela Anderson look. 1 second. So I'm here. I fixed my bangs. I'm trying to remake this Pamela Anderson bun that she liked make in the 90s, but like it's not everything can be perfect, but I like it as it is right now. And here we are. We have a really beautiful 90s inspired makeup look, and yeah, you can see closer. I will look down so you could see the full from everywhere in any age how it looks like. And I think Pamela Anderson would be really proud of me if she see my makeup video, because she will say, okay, it's not that bad. I really hope that you liked my video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and like put a heart on it, I mean thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.